Guys, so today I just want to show you how to turn down the window blinds. These are actually called the window blinds. I know most of you don't know, like me. I just knew it today through watching something. So we have this string here. We have this rod here. I will show you how to do it. Just stay with me. So we actually need to bring up the window blinds, right? Yeah, we need to, like, you need to open the blinds. So you simply hold into this rod and you pull it down. You pull it down like that, and the rods open. As simple as that. And if you want to bring down these window blinds, you don't hold here and bring it down. No, you just have to hold these strings, yeah, and turn it into an angle of 45 degrees like this. Like this, and everything goes down. So it's just simple. Just pull it down, and if you want to release the blinds, you turn it at an angle of 45 degrees by pulling it down like this. So like that, exactly. Now back to this rod here. This one is used to actually to tilt these blinds. If you want to tilt the blinds, you use this rod here. If you tilt it clockwise, you turn. It's like you close the blinds if you turn it clockwise. Yeah, like that, and no one will be able to see you from outside. Either you won't be seeing from inside, sorry. Yeah, like that. So if you need to open the blinds, you just tilt this rod anti-clockwise, simply like that. Yeah, and you can see outside. So that's it, as simple as it is. Please don't break your window blinds. I hope this is clear. So guys, I hope the information was clear. Don't break your window blinds because it's so much expensive to replace. So it's just that clear. Thank you. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. بحبكم. I love you all.